Here's a playlist specifically curated for a 70s party that caters to fans of British rock. It includes iconic tracks from the most influential bands and artists of the decade, offering a mix of anthems, deep cuts, and sing alongs. Essential British rock anthems: 1. Bohemian Rhapsody, Queen; 2. Stairway to Heaven, Led Zeppelin; 3. Smoke on the Water, Deep Purple; 4. Baba O'Reilly, The Who; 5. Money, Pink Floyd; 6. Layla, Derek and the Dominos, 7. All Right Now, Free, 8. Life on Mars, David Bowie; 9. Sweet Emotion, Aerosmith; 10. Child in Time, Deep Purple, glam rock favorites; 11. Rebel Rebel, David Bowie; 12. 20th Century Boy, T-Rex; 13. Get It On Bang a Gong, T-Rex; 14. All the Young Dudes, Mott the Hoople; 15. Rock and Roll Suicide, David Bowie; 16. And the Can, Suzi Quatro; 17. Blockbuster; Sweet 18. Fox on the Run; Sweet 19. Starman, David Bowie; 20. Ballroom Blitz, Sweet hard rock and heavy metal tracks; 21. Paranoid, Black Sabbath; 22. Highway to Hell, AC/DC; 23. Whole Lotta Love, Led Zeppelin; 24. Iron Man, Black Sabbath; 25. Rock and Roll, Led Zeppelin; 26. Let There Be Rock, AC/DC; 27. Black Dog, Led Zeppelin; 28. Ace of Spades, Motorhead; 29. Jailbreak, Thin Lizzy; 30. The Boys Are Back in Town, with just Thin Lizzy, prog rock masterpieces; 31. Roundabout. Yes, 32. Firth of Fifth, Genesis; 33. Shine On You Crazy Diamond, Pink Floyd; 34. Time, Pink Floyd; 35. Thick as a Brick, Part 1, Jethro Tull; 36. I Know What I Like in Your Wardrobe, Genesis; 37. Carnival 9, First Impression, Petite 2, Emerson, Lake and Palmer; 38. In the Court of the Crimson King, King Crimson; 39. Aqualung, Jethro Tull; 40. Echoes, Pink Floyd, punk rock and new wave hits; 41. Anarchy in the UK, Sex Pistols; 42. London Calling, The Clash; 43. God Save the Queen, Sex Pistols; 44. Blitzkrieg Bop, Ramones; 45. Psycho Killer, Talking Heads; 46. Teenage Kicks, The Undertones; 47. Peaches, The Stranglers; 48. No More Heroes, The Stranglers; 49. I Fought the Law, The Clash; 50. Sheena is a Punk Rocker, Ramones, Soft Rock and Ballads; 51. Wild Horses, The Rolling Stones; 52. Wish You Were Here, Pink Floyd; 53. Angie, The Rolling Stones; 54. Love of My Life, Queen; 55. The Long and Winding Road, The Beatles; 56. Behind Blue Eyes, The Who; 57. Don't Let It Bring You Down, Neil Young; 58. Maybe I'm Amazed, Paul McCartney; 59. Imagine, John Lennon; 60. Something, The Beatles. Sing Along Classics, 61. We Will Rock You, Queen; 62. Hey Jude, The Beatles; 63. Let It Be, The Beatles; 64. Suffragette City, David Bowie; 65. You Really Got Me; 66. You Really Brown Sugar, The Rolling Stones; 67. Here Comes the Sun, The Beatles; 68. Heroes, David Bowie; 69. Gimme Shelter, The Rolling Stones; 70. Come Together, The Beatles had Party Starters; 71. Rock and Roll All Night, Kiss; 72. Jumpin' Jack Flash, The Rolling Stones; 73. Tumbling Dice, The Rolling Stones; 74. Saturday Night's All Right for Fighting, Elton John; 5. Let's Spend the Night Together, The Rolling Stones; 76. Honky Tonk Women, The Rolling Stones; 77. TNT, AC/DC; 78. Reelin' in the Years, Steely Dan; 79. Do You Feel Like We Do, Peter Frampton; 80. Free Ride, Edgar Winter Group. Closing tracks: 81. Comfortably Numb, Pink Floyd; 82. Bohemian Rhapsody, Queen; 83. Let It Be, The Beatles; 84. Hotel California, Eagles; 85. The Show Must Go On, Queen. This mix ensures an unforgettable 70s British rock party experience.